Before your feet even touch the floor in the morning, declare with conviction, "Something extraordinary will happen to me today." But don't stop there, go further. Shake the foundations of doubt by adding, "And something incredible will happen through me today." You are not just a receiver of blessings. You are a conduit of greatness. The moment you awaken, ignite your spirit with gratitude. Don't rush into the day stressed. Step into it with purpose, knowing that every breath is an opportunity to create, inspire, and rise. Hope is not passive, it's a relentless force. It's the refusal to surrender to negativity, even when challenges arise. Jeremiah's words echo through time. "I know the plans I have for you, plans for good, to give you a future and a hope." Your hope is not built on fleeting circumstances, but on the unbreakable foundation of your potential. When you anchor yourself in belief, you achieve the impossible. Your struggles? Temporary. Your strength? Unstoppable. You were crafted for more than survival, you were made for significance. Every setback, every injustice, every moment of pain can be transformed into fuel for your destiny. Even if you stand at your lowest point, remember, this is not the end. It's the beginning of your comeback. The universe conspires in your favor when you refuse to stay broken. Today, decide, no more living wounded. Rise, rebuild, and reclaim your power. Your past does not define you. Moses was a murderer, yet he led nations. Your mistakes, lessons, not life sentences. Stop drowning in regret. Your future is too bright to be dimmed by yesterday's shadows. Square your shoulders, lift your head, and step forward. As long as you have the courage to try, hope remains. Dreams still come true. Impossible? A myth. With belief, your life can transform in a single day. Stop placing hope in fragile things. People change, careers shift, circumstances fluctuate. But when you anchor your soul to the infinite, you become unshakable. The same force that crafted galaxies breathes life into your dreams. Temporary setbacks? Inevitable. Ultimate victory? Guaranteed. You are royalty. Act like it, speak like it, live like it. The best is yet to come.